Hi there. So you're out for the day, your battery's not on full charge, and you're worried it's not going to see you out for what you need to do. Well, there's a couple of things you can do, both long term and short term, to make sure your battery lasts that little bit longer. You may have noticed low power mode sometimes comes on your phone when it's getting low. You can actually activate that. Go into settings, click on battery, and activate low power mode. Now today, that's going to make your phone last a little bit longer. Looking at the long term, see the app management. Now I've noticed TripAdvisor here, 15% of my battery in the last 7 days, and I've never even switched the app on. I think that app's about to get deleted, so it's worth having a look at the apps that are using your battery power in the background. Next thing to do, double click on the home button. If you've got a load of apps open, get them shut, get them swiped up, get them out of there. That should keep your battery that little bit longer for what you need to use it for today. Hope this has been of help. If it has, please like, please subscribe. Loads more iPhone tips on the channel, loads more geeky tips on the channel. So please, don't forget, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.